Assembling Furniture, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to our English language learning video on assembling furniture. In this video, we will guide you through the process of assembling furniture, which can be a common task in household chores. Whether you're moving into a new home or simply rearranging your living space, knowing how to assemble furniture is a valuable skill. So, let's get started. When you receive a new piece of furniture, it usually comes with a set of instructions. These instructions may include written steps, diagrams, or both. Understanding the instructions is crucial before you begin assembling the furniture. Start by reading the instructions carefully to get an overall idea of the process. Look for any diagrams or labeled parts that can help you visualize the assembly. Pay attention to any specific tools mentioned in the instructions. Make sure you have the necessary tools before you begin. Before you start assembling, it's essential to organize the parts of the furniture. This will help you work more efficiently and avoid confusion. Sort and group the different parts according to their types, such as screws, panels, or connectors. Check if all the parts mentioned in the instructions are present. If anything is missing, you may need to contact the manufacturer. Now that you have the instructions and organized parts, it's time to begin the assembly process. Follow the step-by-step process outlined in the instructions to ensure a smooth assembly. Start with the base or frame of the furniture. This is usually the foundation on which the rest of the components will be attached. As you progress, double-check each step before moving on to the next. Make sure the parts are aligned correctly and securely fastened. Take your time, especially if you're new to assembling furniture. Patience and careful attention to detail will result in a sturdy and well-built piece. During the assembly process, you may encounter some common issues. Here are a few troubleshooting tips to help you overcome them. Tightening screws or bolts may require some force, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the furniture. If a part doesn't fit properly, check if you missed any steps or if there's an alternative position for the part. When using tools, ensure you're using the right size and type. Using the wrong tool can lead to frustration or damage. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our English language learning video on assembling furniture. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the process of assembling furniture. Remember, reading and understanding instructions, organizing parts, following a step-by-step process, and troubleshooting common issues are the key to successful furniture assembly. With practice, you'll become more confident in your abilities. Happy assembling, and until next time.